Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this spectacular Ferrari 458 Italia. Beautiful Rosso Mugello red, black interior with red stitching throughout. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our beautiful Rosso Mugello 458 Italia. Do a little cold start here, turn the key on, foot on the brake, start button. Fires right up as you'd expect. Got some electric adjustable steering column, in and out, up and down. We're going to warm her up and we'll be back. All right, we have a little temperature in our Ferrari 458 Italia. It's really, really great setup with the 458s. Between the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, tremendous V8. This is the last normally aspirated V8 that they made. Beautiful color combination, great options list on this car. Besides the colors, red deviating stitching throughout, nose lift, heated power seats. It's got nav, satellite radio. Big brakes. Such a pleasure to drive, so easy to drive, but you put it in race mode, that exhaust opens up, and you really hear that V8 come to life. We're gonna come up here to the S's, we'll put her through her paces a little bit. Great dash layout too, big red tack right in front of you. Nice infotainment screen to the left with your gauges. Really nice steering wheel too. All the controls are on the steering wheel. Big paddle shifts here for shifting. Very easy to activate. Got turn signals, headlights, wipers, suspension setting. We'll go to sport in that as well. Turn signals up here. 13,000 miles from new. Originally delivered through Miller Motor Cars in Connecticut to a very well-known car collector, Michael Kittredge. He owned the Yankee Candle Company, including the Yankee Candle Car Museum. We're going to come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. That exhaust note, how could you not? Such a great driver-oriented car. The feedback and feel you get from the steering wheel, it's really, really second to none. Again, the last of the normally aspirated V8s. Really well optioned as well. The car just feels like it wants to go, yet docile enough you could drive this anywhere. Movies, dinner, ice cream, whatever you'd like. We're gonna come up here to the farm road and we'll put her through her paces a little bit. All right, here we are up on the farm road. We'll open her up a little bit. Oh yeah. Little wheel spin there. Car just pulls and pulls and pulls. Really nice example. Really does not leave you wanting anymore. Very rewarding feeling driving this car. 458s are unbelievable. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we will catch you on the next one.